Hi, we're here at the Parry Public Library with Dave the Dragon and Hartley. And what are we doing today?
Hi everybody, today we are going to be doing a fun science experiment. We are going to grow our own rainbows from home. But before we begin, Dave is going to explain how rainbows form in nature.
It's all in the geometry, Hartley. It's all in the geometry. So rainbows are formed when sunlight is scattered on raindrops and provide the illusion of color. The position of the sun and the type of raindrops need to be just right in order for a rainbow to form. The sun needs to be behind you, and the lower the sun is in the sky, the more of an arc the rainbow will have.
Ah, that makes sense. That's so interesting, Dave. Thank you for sharing that with us. Now we're going to jump into the science experiment. So what you're going to need are 2 glass jars filled with water. You're going to need a strip of paper towel that's going to be cut in a rectangle. And then you're going to need markers, all the colors of the rainbow. We have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. So what you're going to do is color a strip of each color on each end of the paper towel. You see, I've already started this end. We have all the colors of the rainbow here. So now I'm going to do the other side. Make sure your colors are on the same end. Okay, so now what we're going to do is grab our 2 glass jars. So we're going to put each end into the jars. And make sure when you put your rainbow end in that you're not completely submerging the color. Otherwise, it might not work as well. And now we wait. And that is how you do it. We hope you have so much fun trying this experiment from home. Just as a reminder, for those who are going back to school, we are still offering our mystery bags at Parry Sound Public Library. We have a fantastic selection of nonfiction books, including books on weather and nature. Sound good?
Sounds good to me.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.